Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with KnowBe4 easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the KnowBe4 registration page. Locate the registration link provided in your email invitation. Click on the link to access the registration form. You will be directed to a page prompting you to enter your information. Fill in your first name in the designated field. Next, enter your last name in the appropriate box. Provide your work email address accurately. Create a strong password that meets the specified criteria. Re-enter your password to confirm it matches. Read through the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree, check the box indicating your acceptance. Once all fields are completed, click the Submit button. Wait for a confirmation message indicating your registration is successful. You may receive a welcome email shortly after. Follow any additional instructions provided in the email if necessary. Log into your KnowBe4 account using your newly created credentials. Explore the dashboard to become familiar with the learning materials available. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.